Hello, brilliant minds. Are you feeling frustrated because you keep forgetting current affairs or English vocabulary or general awareness? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I am going to unveil a secret mobile app that will show the unbelievable power of your own memory and make you conquer every exam with confidence. Introducing Scoreclever, a mobile app that can cleverly predict when you are going to forget an answer and schedules revision accordingly, making sure the information sticks with you longer and more stronger. Let me quickly brief how our memory works. This is the forgetting curve of humans. When a new information is learned, you will forget around 40% of it from your memory in just 10 minutes. Around 70% of the information is forgotten in one day, and the curve goes on. To prevent this, you need to recall the information at certain time intervals. With every recall, the information goes back to 100% and the forgetting too becomes slower. Let's download Scoreclever from Google Play Store. Open it and you will find a treasure of topics like current affairs, English, and general awareness, specially tailored for UPSC, banking, SSC, and other government exams. Before starting to learn, let's choose the learning language from settings. Choose a topic, let's say current affairs, and press the learn button. Questions will start to show, but here is the twist. No multiple choices. Why? Because recalling answers without choices encourages your brain to work harder, thereby sticking the information to your brain more deeper. After reading the question, you need to recall the answer. There are three situations. Either you are learning the question for the first time, or you can remember the answer, or you forgot the answer. Now press the show answer button and check if the remembered answer is correct. I am studying this question for the first time, and so I will press the first learn button. As per the shown time plus 1 minute, the question will be shown to me again after 1 minute while I am studying other questions. Suppose if I already know the answer, I would have pressed the can remember button so that the question will be shown to me again after 10 minutes. I will study the answer and press the first learn button as I have learned this question for the first time. You will keep on studying other questions, and after 1 minute, this question will appear again. You will press the forgot button if you cannot remember the answer, and the can remember button if you can remember the answer. Assuming that the can remember button is pressed, the question is scheduled to appear again after 10 minutes. Then you keep on studying other questions, and after 10 minutes, this question will appear again. If I can remember the answer, I will again press the can remember button, and the question is now scheduled for revision for the next day. Thus, today you have studied a set of questions, and the questions will appear again tomorrow. There are 3 numbers on every subtopic. New refers to the number of new questions, learning refers to the questions that are currently under study, and revision refers to the questions that are already studied but need to be revised today. When starting to learn a new question, based on your responses, the app will predict if you have studied the question. Until you study the question, it will be placed under the learning category. When you open the app tomorrow and press the learn button on this subtopic, the questions that need to be revised will appear first, followed by new questions. Every time you remember the answer correctly and press the can remember button, the revision days will also grow exponentially depending on the app's prediction of when you are going to forget it. Suppose if you forgot the answer after 2 months and pressed the forgot button during revision, the revision days will be reset and you need to start learning again from the beginning. While revising, you should keep in mind that you will press the hard to remember button only if needed. Unnecessarily pressing it might affect the learning efficiency. Also, keep in mind that for questions like vocabs, idioms, etc., you don't need to exactly remember the full sentence of the answer. You can press the can remember button if you can remember the answer in your own understanding and the remembered answer is similar to the given answer. That's all on how to use the app for effective memorization and revision. But wait, the adventure doesn't end here. There is a separate video on hidden features in the app. Watch the video to use the app in its fullest potential. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming exams. Enjoy your learning with Scoreclever.